Hi, my name is Marietta Mahani, and this week's Aqua tip we're going to be using the noodle between the legs. Now I have to tell you something. This was never my favourite position as an Aqua instructor for years. Mainly because I just saw, people just saw paddling up and down the pool, and I'd get in the pool and go, well, this is not very effective. Anyway, I rose to the challenge one day when someone asked me, do I ever do exercises between the legs? And then I thought, I'm going to give this a go. Now, I've come up with a whole bunch of different ones because I want to get a workout, and my participants want to get a workout. Now, the first one I want to show to you is the jogging with the holding onto the noodle and keeping the noodle underneath the water. Now, this is on the spot, so I'm not moving up and down the pool. And if I perform it like this, I don't really feel very much. How do I get more? Move the noodle further across, and then you can say, hello abdominals. Yep, because your abdominals work quite hard, and you actually feel them switching from one side to the other whilst you're performing this exercise. Really good. But you've got to move the noodle across the body. Now check out the turbulence. So I like filming exercises in the pool because it helps me see what my participants are going to do, and hopefully that helps you too, right? What you can see now and what I'm doing. But the noodle is in the water. Have a look at how straight my arms are, and then I'll turn front on. Notice how far I'm taking the noodle across my body. Now if you tell your clients, make sure that you feel this in your abdominals, then you'll get them to move further across. So the further they go over, the more their abdominals are going to activate with this exercise. Of course, my legs are going up and down, so that's adding a little bit of cardio benefit. And with that big arm action, I'm getting some work in my upper body. Where you feel it the most? Abdominals. Really good. I really like it when people can feel it in their abdominals because they go, oh my God, the exercise is working. Well, it's working a lot of other things, but people are very preoccupied with this area that they can see in front of their bodies. So I think it's a really cool exercise as long as you get people to move the noodle from side to side as much as you can. And that is this week's Aqua tip. This is such a great abdominal exercise for people in the pool. Not so much for you on land. You're not going to feel it in that position. In fact, you probably won't really feel it anywhere. But the best way to demonstrate this is, well, you can try doing it like this. That will work. Standing up, showing with the noodle going from side to side, because basically you're jogging, but you are touching the bottom of the, well, you're touching the ground, right? So for some of our participants, it might signify, oh, you're touching the bottom of the pool, but you're not. You can also do it in a chair. Now, if you're going to do it in a chair, you want to take the noodle from out in between your legs, so don't sit on the noodle and then sit on the chair. Life is not that pleasant. I do not feel comfortable here, so I'm going to place it underneath the chair, and that way I can feel a lot more comfortable. Now I'm jogging, feet up off the bottom of the pool, but the important thing is what you're doing with your arms, not so much what you're doing with your legs. So you're holding the noodle, it's got to be under the water, so indicate under the water, so that means that you need to also drop your arms down. And then make sure that you're sweeping your arms from side to side. Strongly recommend that they keep their arms away from their body, because that's what's making their abdominals activate. If you go, all right, just moving your arms from side to side and your elbows are bent, sorry, nada, they'll feel nothing. Now arms all the way out, sweeping from side to side, and you want to indicate this is where you're going to feel it the most. You can't feel it here, you need to pull the noodle across with more force. Now, as you do this, as instructors on land, make sure that you don't end up bending one elbow as the noodle goes across. It's not a semicircle from one side to the other. It's a straight arm action to the front. So you will notice that in the video, I wasn't able to go all the way around. So you're not doing this, you're not moving your body. And that's what's cool about it, is that you're working the obliques without actually rotating the spine, which is fantastic for people that have back issues that might find difficulty with twisting. This is superb because there's no twisting involved, but the arms are moving. It's really that simple. You can do it demonstrating standing or on a chair, but keep the arms straight. And that is this week's Aqua tip.